The original AirPods Pro was released back in October 2019. It boosted and improved design over the original AirPods, and it was also Apple's very first attempt at active noise cancellation. And back in 2019, even though it was the new kid on the block, but it instantly went on to become the industry standard for many ANC earbuds which come after the AirPods Pro. Now, fast forward to September 2022, almost 3 years later, Apple finally released the successor to the original AirPods Pro, the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So over here, basically, I would actually test and review budget and affordable wireless earbuds to help you to decide before you hit that buy button. So without further ado, let's get into today's content. And I just want to say that today's video is actually not sponsored by Apple, it's not sponsored by anyone. I actually got the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation with my own money. Alright, now, the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, it actually retails for around 360 Singapore dollars on this Apple Singapore website. And I've actually been testing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation for almost a month now. So in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing my own thoughts on whether should you be getting Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and I'm just going to be calling it Pro 2 for short from here on. So in terms of the design and build, do check out my unboxing video of the Pro 2 over here, whereby I also shared my first impressions. Now, in terms of battery life, now again, Apple actually did not mention anything about the battery sizes, but they did claim that AirPods Pro 2 with the new H2 chip can last up to 6 hours with ANC on. And the case is actually able to provide an additional 24 hours, giving the users a total of 30 hours. Do remember to click here if you to check out my personal real day in life battery test of the AirPods Pro 2. When you reduce the case, not only will the LED light on the front lit up, but you will also hear a chime from the case, which actually has a built-in speaker. To indicate that the charging is active. So in my opinion, I feel that it should be able to meet most people's day-to-day situations, unless you're actually wanting to get something for those long-haul flights or long-haul travel distance. Then you should probably be looking elsewhere, such as the Sony WH-1000XM3s or the Apple AirPods Max. Now, in terms of music quality, this is actually the second major thing to consider if you are thinking about getting the Pro 2. Via Apple devices, the Pro 2 only supports Apple's AAC codec, though lossless codec is still not being supported. Via Android devices, you can actually switch between SBC and AAC codec. So with the new Pro 2 earbuds, Apple is claiming that with the new H2 chip, it will actually sound better. That means it's actually able to play sound to better suit your unique ear shape. You can also personalize the spatial audio according to your heads, and it will also have like adaptive EQ to tune the music so that it's actually constantly adjusting the highs and low frequency of the songs you're listening to in real time. Now, all this is, according to Apple, is to deliver phenomenal sound to you. Okay, Apple, that's a lot of marketing there. But honestly speaking, when I was using it for the past 1 month in the real world, when I was listening to my usual Spotify playlist, my ears are actually telling me that there wasn't much difference between the original AirPods Pro and the Pro 2. Mind you, this is actually with spatial audio off, and everything is actually set to neutral. And also the sub bass on the Pro 2, it sounds way better and more controlled, and there's more layers on the Pro 2 compared to the original AirPods Pro. But of course, overall, at the end of the day, I am no audiophile, I'm not some audio expert, I'm basing on what my ears are telling me. Overall, I feel that there's really not much difference. I don't feel that there's a lot of improvement over the original AirPods Pro for the Pro 2. But it's just that I feel that if you're a bass lover, you would actually love the amount of bass you're actually getting from the Pro 2. And if you're someone who actually wants to like reduce environment noises and this kind of stuff, then you would actually want to consider checking out the ANC capability of the Pro 2. Now, I'm someone who actually commutes daily via buses and subways and trains, and I've actually tested a fair bit of the ANC earbuds myself. Honestly speaking, I feel that most earbuds, the ANC Feature, they really struggle with random loud noises, metal screeching generated when I'm sitting in a bus and train and subways, moving at high speed. Now, when I switch to the Pro 2, I would go as far as to say that I feel that the ANC feature on the Pro 2 is near perfect. I feel that it's a huge improvement and win, which has always been a major killer for most ANC earbuds I've actually tested. It actually doesn't really bother the Pro 2. Although you will still get some soft ruffling sound in the background, but most of the time I actually don't notice it at all. But of course I must still clarify, I'm actually based here in Singapore, and of course over here in Singapore, it's very rare for us to get really strong winds. Most of the time it's usually a nice breeze. Other than that, the noise reduction of the Pro 2 on other noises such as keyboard, mouse clicks, crowd chatters and traffic, I feel that it seems to be similar to the original AirPods Pro. Now for the transparency mode on the Pro 2, I feel that Apple actually made some improvements for the Pro 2 by making it more of an adaptive transparency, whereby the new H2 chip is actually able to reduce and balance loud noises such as engine noises from buses, trucks, cars, etc. in real time, so that the environment noise is at a much more comfortable and bearable audio level. Right, when it comes to like gymming, working out, jogging, cycling, etc. Now both the case and the earbud, they are IPX4 waterproof rated, which is very nice. So it actually means that both the earbuds and the case, they're actually able to have some level of resistance to sweat, a little bit of water, which is pretty different from the rest of the market, whereby the charging case doesn't even have any water resistance at all. Now in terms of touch controls and skin sensor, Apple actually continues with the same force pressure buttons on the Pro 2, which is located on the stem itself, which has actually been very iconic since the original AirPods Pro, so I don't think that there's anything to change. For the force pressure sensors on the Pro 2, it's the same as the original AirPods Pro. You can actually adjust the pressure and the speed in the iPhone manual. Besides that, the presses are also customizable via the iPhone. Apple actually added new sets of controls, volume up and volume down, which is just a simple swipe up, simple swipe down, and I feel that this is godsend. I mean, this really means that Apple have actually been listening to their users, and they finally added a volume up and volume down control. In terms of connectivity, the Pro 2 uses Bluetooth 5.3. During initial pairing with your Apple devices such as your iPad or your iPhone, you'll get an on-screen animation. And once the pairing is done, the U1 chip in the case will be connected as well, which allows you to find your AirPods, your casing, etc. if you lose them. Alright, by using this technology called precision finding to actually locate your AirPods and your earbuds and your case separately. And this is as long as they are all connected to the same Apple ID. And just like the original AirPods Pro, the Pro 2, it's able to be connected to multiple Apple devices. Now, in terms of microphone quality, I feel that it's also a huge improvement over the original AirPods Pro. It has better microphones, it has better phone noise cancellation, and better voice isolation. In fact, I was actually able to have like decent phone conversations when I was in noisier environments, such as I was sitting inside a cafe, or I'm actually inside a restaurant, I'm actually inside a bus, or I'm sitting inside a subway. All this were previously not very possible with the original AirPods Pro. And finally, the following is a variety of sound clips to demonstrate the microphone quality of the Pro 2. So do remember to pull on your headphones. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently indoors and I am doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It's currently in neutral mode with ANC off, with transparency mode off. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently indoors and I am doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently indoors and I am doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2 with transparency mode. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently walking outside next to a busy road and I'm doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So do let me know what you think of my voice quality, of the microphone quality, whether you're able to hear the passing cars and the passing bus. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently outdoors and it's currently raining right now. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality, whether you can hear the background rain. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently inside an air-conditioned food court, right? And I am doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, currently I'm actually in an open air hawker center located in Punggol. It's called the One Punggol Hawker Center. I'm currently doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 22. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently outside and I'm sitting inside the bus. I'm doing a microphone test on the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently indoors and I am using the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation to do a microphone test on Zoom. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. For those of you who actually wants to use your Apple AirPods Pro with other platforms, does it actually work? From my own testing, yes, it actually works with both Android devices and Windows platform as well. But it's just that you will only be able to use the default and the default ANC feature. You won't be able to have access to other features and menus which are only exclusive via Apple devices like iPhone and iPads. Alright, so at the end of the day, are they worth it? Should you actually consider to get the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation? Well, the thing is if you're like me, whereby you're using quite a number of Apple devices, not just the iPhone, then I feel that it's definitely a no-brainer to go for the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. But otherwise, I feel that there are many options out there. If you want a pair of wireless earbuds, which can last you much longer than 6 hours on a single charge, or if you don't wish to drop that much money on a pair of ANC wireless earbuds, you can actually consider earbuds such as the Edifier W240TN, the Ugreen High Tune X6, or the Sonic Gear Ear Pump TWS12, and even the Creative Outlander Air V3. I'll actually provide the links to all the earbuds I've just mentioned so that you can actually check it out in the description segment below. Alright, there you have it. This has actually been my personal review of the Apple's AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I hope my sharing has helped you. If it did, it'd be great if you could actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you want, you can share it with your friends who are actually considering to get the Apple AirPods Pro 2. My name is Shawnee. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!